Hi writers! So today is going to be a very special day because you guys get to show off all the writing that you've been doing, or just pick one piece. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get my writing folder and I'm going to pick a piece that I have been working on and that I have labeled, or that I have a lot of details and I added a lot of stuff to. And I think I'm going to do the one that I've been working on this week about when I showed my classroom. And then I did added an extra page where I showed the lunchroom, and it's called Places at School, and I'm going to show that. So today I'm going to show you how to use this thing called Flipgrid, and basically it just records you doing a brief, almost a book buzz, to tell us what is your writing about, what did you write about, and you'd have to hold it up like this so we can see it. But that way you get to see what other kids your age, what they're writing about. Maybe you can get some ideas for your writing. And it's also for a way for me to see what everybody's been working on. So I'm going to show you how to access that, and you might want to show your parents this part where they can log in. Okay, so let me minimize this. So on your thing, it's actually going to show up on your eClass page, but I can't access that because it's not until Friday, so I'm just going to copy this link. But normally you will see this on your eClass page. Once you click on that link, it'll take you right to Flipgrid Harmony Kindergarten. And then you'll see Miss Tidwell, Miss Groover, and Miss Branch. So all you're going to have to do is click Record a Response. Now it's not going to let me do that because I'm logged in under a different name. But when you hit that Record a Response, it should bring you up a camera right here. And you get about a minute, and you can show your work and talk briefly about what it's about. So I would say this book is about my classroom, and I labeled mailbox, sink, bathroom, library, door, and this is all the places that I go in the classroom. And then I added a second page that tells you where to go in the lunchroom. Okay, so it's not going to let me record my response right here, but when you do, it's going to pop up your name. Okay, so if for whatever reason that link does not work, all you have to do is type in Harmony Elementary, and then it will take you directly to that page. So your code will be your student's number. So whatever your child's number is, they can log in and it'll have their name already ready for them. Of course, when everybody's finished with that, you guys can then go back and look at other people's responses as well. And remember, this is a celebration of the learning that we're doing, so just do your best. And I can't wait to see everybody describing their writing. All right, have fun, and I can't wait to see it. Bye, guys. Have a great Friday.